Great places to visit in the United States. Minnesota, known as the Land of 10,000 Lakes, is a state that enchants visitors with its natural beauty, vibrant cities, and a warm northern charm. Nestled in the heart of the upper Midwest, Minnesota offers a picturesque landscape dotted with pristine lakes, dense forests, and rolling prairies. The iconic Boundary Waters Canoe Area Wilderness beckons outdoor enthusiasts with its untouched wilderness, offering unparalleled opportunities for canoeing, kayaking, and camping. The vibrant city of Minneapolis showcases a thriving arts and music scene, world-class theaters, and the renowned Minneapolis Sculpture Garden. The state's capital, St. Paul, captivates with its historic charm, grand architecture, and the picturesque Mississippi River running through its heart. Minnesota embraces its Scandinavian heritage, evident in the charming small towns, Scandinavian festivals, and the iconic lutefisk and lefse culinary traditions. During the winter months, the state transforms into a snowy wonderland, inviting visitors to enjoy activities such as skiing, snowboarding, and ice fishing. With its friendly locals, a strong sense of community, and a deep appreciation for nature's wonders, Minnesota invites visitors to immerse themselves in its breathtaking landscapes, experience the vibrant city life, and embrace the northern charm that makes this state truly special. Subscribe or follow for more interesting places to visit.